Good evening. Tonight we're in the rehearsal studio. I'm with most of the connection. And this is the first time we've rehearsed for about a month because people have been traveling. It's summer, holidays, schedules. Very hard to get 7 of us all together. And in fact, Luca Perrone, our excellent keyboard player, is still riding his motorcycle along the coast of the Mediterranean tonight, so there's only 6 of us. So a bit of a stripped down version, but nonetheless wanted to give you an idea of what it's like to be with a like-minded bunch of musical folk. And quickly I'd like to introduce the band, fill in with his guitar, as guitar players do. We've got Ryan Hamilton down here. Ryan, do you want to say hello, or should we just look at the back of your head? Lovely. John on drums. Danny on bass and vocals. Jai Hobbs on lap steel and vocals.
Good evening.
Oh, vertical camera's not allowed. No verticals allowed. And last but absolutely not least is Patrick Mann on the trumpet. Now, we've got the lights turned on now, but normally we play in the dark with candles. So it looks like this normally. And we like to join our spirits together and get in the mood and play. So what we're going to do tonight, and you probably can't see very well in the dark, can you? Is it not bad?
Well, in the dark.
How's this look in the dark?
It gets rid of the buzzing, by the way, though.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Is that what gets rid of the buzzing? Well, cool, well then we'll do it in the dark. And the fabulous Luca Perrone, the Italian stallion, is still on his Triumph motorcycle, biking at frightening high speeds, I'm sure, around the coast of the Mediterranean. But he'll be back in time for our gig. So we haven't all been together for over a month because of people's traveling schedules and holidays and all that. So it's the first time we're back together. And we're going to play a song for you now. Just so, and this is the first time we played it in over a month. But this song is called Namaste. And I wrote it about a year ago after reading Synchronicity by Deepak Chopra, where I became introduced to the word and the concept of Namaste, which is the spirit in me honors the spirit in you. So, without further ado, and without our regular keyboards, but we'll give you a little taste of what it's like to run through music with a band. So here comes Namaste.
Going out from the spirit, only here for a short stay. Knowing out from the spirit, baby, that's why we're here today. Something deep inside of you knows the way. That something is your spirit, baby. That's why I'm here to say Namaste, spirit in me. Namaste, is the spirit in you. Namaste, spirit in you. Namaste, is the spirit in me. for your name. No one knows my spirit, baby. Deep inside we're all the same. And for everything a reason. Each moment of each day. When I feel strong, baby, it's when I hear the trees say, Namaste, spirit in me. Namaste, spirit in you. Namaste, spirit in you. Namaste, spirit in me. Drops a pebble into the ocean along the Gulf of Mexico, and it ripples across the surface. Water calm below. Now I'm traveling along 1,000 miles, picking up the gold. Now I'm swimming all that lovely water. Feel the energy flow. Hey, and all the constellation, and everything it is. I saw me in the dolphin. She gave me a little kiss. I thought I heard her say Namaste, spirit in me. Namaste, spirit in you. Namaste, spirit in you. Namaste, spirit in me. I said Namaste, spirit in me. Namaste, spirit in you. Namaste, spirit in you. Namaste is the spirit in me.
Thanks, everyone. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow.